Please start with me. Hello everybody.
Hello.
I'm Mickey.
I'm Gabriela.
Welcome back to our channel. Actually today we want to announce you about the upcoming CARP project. Yes. So first one is in September, 25th of September.
So this month,
This month. It's Saturday in the weekend, and then from around 4 p.m. we want to go to the CARP picnic.
we want to meet together in the mini park from 4 p.m. Everyone that came in the past in this Friday evening, Hundoke, and who want to meet us again, we can meet in the park and play some volley or football together and eat some snacks.
Yes, we want
And
to meet you.
share about how it was this summer, this period of time,
Yep.
and just have a good time together.
Yes.
So
Right.
we hope you can come if you want to meet us and everyone else who came to CARP before.
Please come. Second one
Yes.
is a cleaning project. So it will be 16th of October. This is also Saturday, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So we want to do a small cleaning in Krângaș lakeside. It needs to be cleaned a lot and we
Yes.
can help. And also recycle the things that we find, like
Yep.
clean a bit and make nice the place, make the place nice. And do some team building and be together and spend this time and do something for the community, for the society.
Yes,
Can
that's
be
good.
good. And now because of coronavirus restriction, it's better to do some activities outside, but still be together. And we hope like this we can meet again and do something useful together.
Yeah. And then the last one.
It's a Christmas project.
Yes.
So like we did in the previous years, we want to do something for the people in our city, in our community. And we hope that we can make some small packages for people without a home. And we can give this to them and share some moment with them and encourage them. The least we could do.
December, right?
Yeah, December. So yeah, these are mainly the projects of this autumn. And we hope we can meet even there's this situation with coronavirus, but if we meet outside it should be okay.
Yep.
And yeah, I hope we can come also, we can meet all together again and do this project together.
Yes. So from now, our posting video, it will be the report of how this project went. So it's not like weekly we will post, but I hope you can visit us to the CARP center so we can meet directly. Directly. We miss you.
I think you will be very sad not to see us on YouTube. We are such stars already on YouTube. But it's okay, we can meet offline and
Yes.
have time together.
Exactly. So please come to visit us, okay? Okay, then see you another time.
See you in September.
Yes. See you. Take care. Bye.